Today I'm going to tell you why Jolly Harbour on the west coast of Antigua is fast becoming the most desirable investment location in the Caribbean. This west coast gem is already a prime investment location, and this is for a few reasons. As a gated community, Jolly Harbour provides security around the clock, ensuring that residents can enjoy a serene and safe environment. Residents can have access to a wide variety of amenities, including a fully stocked supermarket, a variety of dining venues ranging from casual eateries to upscale restaurants, inviting bars for evening socials, a well-equipped pharmacy for health and wellness needs, a professional hair salon, and more. Additionally, sports enthusiasts can take advantage of golf course, swimming pool, and tennis courts available. Jolly Harbour hosts an impressive array of properties, many of which offer direct waterfront access. This allows residents the unique opportunity of owning boats without incurring any additional marina fees. As a resident living in Jolly Harbour, you become part of a lively, dynamic and supportive community. There are countless opportunities for social interaction and engagement, with a wide array of social events organised often. This fosters a strong sense of camaraderie among the residents, helping to create an inclusive, friendly and interactive community environment. Situated on Antigua's desirable west coast, Jolly Harbour location offers unparalleled access to stunning beaches and highly sought-after tourist destinations. Given Jolly Harbour's immense popularity amongst tourists, it makes a promising location for rental investments. The high demand for waterfront properties among vacationers provides a substantial opportunity for residents to generate a considerable rental income. Jolly Harbour enhances its pedestrian-friendly atmosphere by offering the use of golf buggies for residents to get around the community. This not only ensures a safe and easy mode of transport, but also adds to the unique charm and relaxed pace of life in this coastal paradise. Ensuring seamless comfort, Jolly Harbour has a robust backup system for power and water supplies. This guarantees that residents will face minimal disruption during power outages, maintaining the convenience and comfort of living in this upscale community. Offering a wide range of property types, Jolly Harbour caters to various tastes and budgets. Whether you're looking for a cosy two-bedroom villa or a luxurious beach house, there is something to suit every lifestyle. This broad selection provides potential residents with a wealth of choice when deciding on their dream home in this idyllic Caribbean community. So why should you invest right now? I will tell you, Jolly Harbour is on the brink of an even greater transformation, and the area's appeal is set to skyrocket with several major developments that will enhance both property values and lifestyle offerings. The globally renowned Nikki Beach brand is bringing its signature blend of luxury, music and high-end hospitality to Jolly Harbour. Known for attracting elite travellers and celebrities, this beach club will elevate the area's profile, increase tourism and drive demand for luxury rentals and vacation homes. Investors in the area stand to benefit from rising property values and a growing high net worth clientele. A brand new modern fitness centre is being built, over 6,000 square feet, catering to residents and visitors who prioritise health and wellness. Alongside this, Jolly Harbour's commercial district is undergoing a transformation with upgraded shops, restaurants and entertainment spaces, making the area even more self-sufficient and attractive for full-time residents and visitors alike. Jolly Harbour already boasts one of the highest occupancy rates on the island. With these new developments, rental yields are expected to increase, making this a prime time to invest before prices rise any further. By investing in approved real estate, such as new build luxury homes in Jolly Harbour, buyers can secure Antiguan citizenship, offering visa-free travel to over 150 locations and significant tax benefits. With these upcoming developments, demand is set to surge and early investors will reap the benefits of capital appreciation, strong rental income and lifestyle perks. Properties in prime locations like Jolly Harbour are limited, making now the ideal time to secure a piece of this Caribbean paradise. If you want to know more about investing in Jolly Harbour from somebody who has done just that, then let's connect. Whether you're looking for a luxury home, an off-plan investment, or a property qualifying for CIP, there are exceptional opportunities available. Contact us today, like and subscribe to our channel for more information.